Hi everyone, my name is Valentina and I'm with the Chip AI team, and today I'm going to explain a little bit about URL as a knowledge source. So if we go to our train card and we go down to knowledge sources, we're going to see so many options to add things as knowledge sources. So what's classified as a URL knowledge source will be our URL, of course. It will be podcasts, Google Sheets, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. If you click on any of them, you'll see that they have the same exact layout. And we'll just go to website URL. I'm going to fetch content. It's going to tell me what it's fetching. It'll give me a real-time loader. And once it's done, it's going to show us a little card telling us how long ago it was scanned with our URL, and we can delete it from here. And I'm just going to add source and we'll see it appear down here. So again, URL as a knowledge source applies for URL, podcasts, Google Sheets, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I hope this was helpful.